I know this channel is intended on talking about electric trucks, but today I want to talk about a car. And I may keep talking about this car. We don't have a lot of information at this time, but what I do know is this car is awesome. More than 300 miles range, top speed of 155 miles per hour, 0 to 88 in 4.35 seconds. Yes, I said 0 to 88 and not 0 to 60. We'll get into that later. Just in case you're curious though, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. These specs are so much better than the original. But before we get into the reason why you're all here, thank you for tuning in. My name is Patrick, and I hate talking about this part, but I need your help growing this channel. So if you take any pleasure, any value, enjoy the information that I share with you, I would appreciate if you could subscribe and like. I love you all for tuning in, but I love my subscribers a little more. All right, glad that part's over with. Today we're going to talk about the upcoming 4-seat EV, the Alpha 5 by the Delorean Motor Company. In 1985, Dr. Emmett Brown convinced all of us that with the aid of a flux capacitor, the DeLorean DMC-12 could travel through time by accelerating to 88 miles per hour before reaching the end of a parking lot. Marty McFly was in on the conspiracy. In reality, it would take the classic DeLorean almost 19 seconds to reach 88 miles per hour. Now the new DeLorean can do this in 4.35 seconds, so it may be possible to travel through time before reaching the end of the parking lot. The most disappointing part of the new DeLorean is that it doesn't appear that a flux capacitor will be available as an option, and automotive stores have been sold out for years. You couldn't actually find one before the supply chain issues began, and at this point, I've run out of hope. The biggest disappointment surrounding the DMC Alpha 5 for me is that I won't be able to afford one. The official price hasn't been announced yet, but I'm finding expert opinions that make me believe it will probably be around $175,000. If anyone in the Bay Area buys the new DeLorean and you're looking for a friend, I would love to go for a ride in a DeLorean. The new DeLorean is strictly theoretical at this point and probably will undergo several changes before it's officially released. I'll do my best to stay on top of new information and relay it to you wonderful people as soon as possible. Right now, I don't have much to say. Please don't forget to subscribe and like to this channel. My next video will be on the Lordstown Endurance. And after that, I'm going to start talking about trucks that people have shown more interest in, and maybe even some more cars and more information on the DeLorean Alpha 5. Stay tuned and have a wonderful day.